Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the surprising health benefits of avocado seeds. Yes, you heard it right. Those seeds you've been throwing away might actually be beneficial for your health. Let's dive right in. Avocado seeds are often discarded, but little do people know, they contain a treasure trove of health benefits. So, grab those seeds and let's explore what they have to offer. First up, avocado seeds are loaded with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Next, avocado seeds have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation has been linked to various health conditions, but these seeds contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting better overall health. Did you know that avocado seeds can also support your immune system? Packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, they help strengthen your body's defense mechanisms and keep you healthy. Now, let's talk about digestion. Avocado seeds are a great source of dietary fiber. This fiber promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and can even aid in weight management by keeping you feeling fuller for longer. And it doesn't stop there. Some people even use avocado seed powder or oil topically for their skin. The antioxidants found in these seeds may help reduce signs of aging and promote a more youthful appearance. Talk about a natural beauty secret. Now, let's learn how to convert these avocado seeds into a powder that you can easily incorporate into your diet and skincare routine. To make avocado seed powder, start by washing the seeds thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Slice the seeds into smaller sizes for easy drying. Then, place the seeds on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven at a low temperature for about 2 hours to dry. But if you don't have oven, you can sun-dry them for 2 to 4 days. For easier grinding, once the seeds are roasted in the oven and cooled or dried under the sun, grind them into a fine powder using a grinder or a powerful blender or grinder. Make sure to grind them well to achieve a smooth consistency. And voila! You now have your very own homemade avocado seed powder, packed with all those amazing health benefits we discussed earlier. So, how can you use this powder for its health benefits? Here are a few ideas. 1. Smoothie. Add a teaspoon of avocado seed powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for an extra boost of antioxidants and fiber. 2. Salad dressing. Mix avocado seed powder with olive oil, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs for a nutritious and flavorful salad dressing. 3. Face mask. Combine avocado seed powder with aloe vera gel or yogurt to create a nourishing face mask. Apply it to your skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off for a glowing complexion. 4. Drinking. Add a teaspoon of your avocado seed powder into a cup and add warm water and consume. This best done after dinner. 5. Mix with cereal. You can add a teaspoon of your favorite avocado seed powder into your choice cereal, oat, pap, and enjoy. Please do not add milk or sugar. This is best done in the morning. Remember, when using avocado seed powder, start with small amounts and gradually increase as tolerated. So, next time you enjoy a delicious avocado, don't throw away those seeds. Embrace their hidden health potential and incorporate them into your diet or skincare routine. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next video. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and born from personal experience and should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. The use of avocado seed powder or any other natural remedy should be done under the guidance of a qualified healthcare practitioner. The effects of avocado seeds powder may vary from person to person, and individual results may differ. This video is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The creators of this video are not liable for any damages or adverse effects resulting from the use of avocado seeds powder or reliance on the information provided. Please use caution and make informed decisions when incorporating new ingredients into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, share with others, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be the first to be notified when we release other videos. Share your thoughts in the comments section, and we will reply. Thanks for watching, and bye.